To our ever dearest DepEd Division Superintendent Dr. Wilfreda D. Bongalos, our DepEd Head Administrator Dr. Ronald Ferrer, our energetic school principal Ma'am Carmen P. Agbay, our school president Mr. Debbie O. Arong, our school directors Agnes A. Arong, to the teachers and staff, our dear parents and guardians, fellow graduates, pleasant morning and welcome to the moving up ceremony of Joshua Bunu Learning Incorporated for the school year 2021 to 2022. The most significant event in a student's life is none other than graduation. And since it is the end of the stage of our elementary days, this day brings us a mixture of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goal to graduate, pain for saying goodbye to the people who become parts of our lives. My fellow graduates, we are about to reach high school and will enjoy the next years of our lives. For us to reach our goals of being successful professionals in the future, our alma mater, Joshua Bunu Learning Incorporated, taught us the values that we need for us to face our future without fear. We would like to thank those who work hard in organizing this well-prepared event. Our graduation is even more memorable because you have spent time and effort to ensure that we will have a meaningful ceremony, despite this what we call new normal days. Thank you, dear teacher, for the knowledge you have given us and all those lessons you have shared with us. Thank you, dear parents and guardians, for the love, constant support, and working hard to give us good education. We are happy that you are here with us today because this is a milestone for us. And most of all, thank you God for all of your blessings. And so, my dear parents, guardians, and honored guests, on behalf of my graduating class, it is my pleasure to welcome you to witness this moving up ceremony. Very soon, we shall march on this very stage, one by one, to receive our awards and diplomas. Classmates, fellow graduates, I wish you all good luck for the coming years of our lives. May the year come to be kind to all of us, and may God and His wisdom bless us with success. Thank you very much. Once again, welcome and good morning.